In this video we show you how to turn off the keypad tones on the Huawei Ascend G300. Do you go into your phone, start dialing a number and constantly get sounds like this? If you don't like the sounds and you want to turn them off, what you need to do is go to the home screen, click Menu, click Settings, click into Sound, scroll down to Feedback and select or deselect audible touch tones. So it says play tones when using dial pad. If that's ticked, that's why you get those tones. So you can untick it, come out, and if we go back to the phone, there's now no sounds when we enter information. You may also hear when we tap into the menus, we get like a popping sound. That's because we have another sound turned on, and to turn that off we go into Menu, Settings, Sound, scroll through to Audible Selection and play sound when making screen selection. Green tick means it's switched on, press it to switch it off, and now there's none of that popping sound, and that's how you control those sounds on the Huawei Ascend G300.